Hello and welcome again. Let me see this. Okay. 1 second. Trying to make sure everything is working. Why I cannot see this? Isn't it live? Yeah, alright. Everything is working. Chat is working. Alright, welcome back. Just 1 second, because I need to change the display to this one, and we are ready to go. Now I have to run a script. Where the hell is the script? Yeah, I found it. So it's very easy script. This is how we do this. I'm running that script so I can remote to another computer. And we are back where we left. So, okay, so let's go back and play it.
Round 1.
Fight. Okay. So as you can see, when I'm hitting, you see the gizmo is opening up, and that's where I'm hitting with. So if I push back and A button, which is fire button, he's turning. Alright, first thing first, it's taking him a long time to turn. You see? Even though it's faster than before, it's like not too fast. So we want to faster. So let's see what we can do to achieve that. Let me think about this. Let's stop this for a second. Let's go to animator of this guy. Oh, I have it upstairs. So here, let's go back to the back fist. First of all, you see the back fist is running at 1 speed, which is the normal speed. We could increase that, and that would make it more faster. Let's say I'm turning into 2, right? Okay, let me just make this bigger so we can see what I'm talking about.
Round 1.
So now that animation should go 2 times faster. And you see animation itself, it's faster. It's like you can't even see what's going on. That's how fast it is, which is not what we want. So let's say, let's turn back to, let's do 0.5 actually, which is gonna slow down so you can see the difference. So let me put this gizmos off. Yeah. Now, you see right now I'm clicking it, and why is it jumping? Jesus. Yeah, you have to push those 2 together. There you go. You see how slow it is now? Like, that's pretty much probably the reason, like, very slow. Anyways, so in my opinion, we should keep this at 1, or I would do 1.2 just to make sure that it's more dynamic, but it's still not enough.
Round 1. Fight.
Because, oh, by the way, guys, I'm sorry, because when I'm trying to show you, actually, let me do this. All right, yeah, sometimes I forget that you cannot see. So this is the number speed. So as soon as you click on the animation here, wherever you have the animation, you getting into inspector. Here you have a speed, and that's what I was changing, because sometimes I'm forgetting that there is my video there, and I'm not sure if you can see it. So that's where I'm making the change. So I'm turning that into 1.2, which is, I think it's good enough. So now let's make a small test. Yeah, not jumping. Bow. Yeah, definitely more dynamic, and it looks fine. But again, it starts kind of late, right? And now I'm gonna fix that part. I think that's because of the transition. So let's go to, there you go. Here is the transition. And if I play this, you see how long it takes from him. The idle animation almost comes to an end. And then from this moment, it's doing the back fist, which is not what we want. This takes too long. So instead of that, we want to go like right almost in the beginning of it, like this. So now it's gonna be almost instantaneous, like not right in the beginning, but a little bit further down. And by messing with this, maybe a little late, if you, this is the time for full transition. So if you make this little less, it's going to even be faster, the animation itself. So now let's try again. This should have fixed my issue that I had, that I'm trying to do that.
Round 1, fight.
Okay, let's try. Back and hit, back and hit, pow. Pow. Instantaneous. It's pretty much back hit. Yeah, like let's say you hear Dow, you hitting him like, what's up, what's up. Yeah, pretty alright, but you know, let me actually play a little more like this, see if that's gonna make any changes.
Round 1, fight.
Well, working with this axis is pissing me off, because you see this thing here, it's kind of hard to push left only. Okay, and it's clicking the jumping, and that's killing me a little bit. But if it was with those, D-pad or whatever, would be much better in my opinion. So there you go. But you know, it's okay. My joystick is maybe not good enough. Like, okay, that's pissing me off. Come on. There you go. Well, that's definitely not working the way I want. It's getting worse. So you see he's jumping. We have to do like this. Just go back and bum, bum, bum. Well, do you like this animation? It's still kind of slow. Let me see something actually. Let's push this guy all the way here. Almost right in the beginning. Or let's just do it from beginning. Who cares? So the moment I'm going back, right? So I'm going forward, I'm going backward. And he's jumping like an idiot, obviously. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. So you just... Why is he jumping like an idiot? Yeah. Actually, I think this is because that's kind of stupid, you know. Right now, Actually, I'm using this, but he's jumping, which is, this jumping thing is too, yeah, you see, that's why, because I have two types of jumping. One, you jump back, like a back flip, forward flip, and then, yeah, that sucks. So I have to like literally walk forward and then walk backward and then hit. So when you walk him back, you could just surprise your enemy by clashing on his face. So from close by, when you try that too much, it's jumping like an idiot, which is pisses me off a little bit. So I'm gonna probably work on it. But anyways, so what I want to do with this is when I click the back fist, there you go, from any state. Yeah, you see, that's the, you know, I'm gonna change this actually. I don't like this stupid thing. I want to figure out, maybe I should put just the back, just turning back and hitting, but that makes sense though, you know. Yeah, just like that. No, I think I'm gonna keep it, because when you push back and then you click that, it's kinda bam. Yeah, but what I need is, when I do that, I want this guy to move a little bit forward, but that's gonna be handled later on. So right now, but I need to handle it now actually. Okay, let me try to do it now. So let's go to the animator, and then let's go to the animator. Oh, it's right here below. Yeah. And then from here, we have the back fist, right? So there you go. He's trying to punch him the back fist. But now I need to add, I would say, like, as soon as he's like here, let me put the gizmos off. So as soon as he's almost turn, or I would be even here, you see, from the inertia, he's gaining some momentum. So now I want to put, oh, here I need to put the punch whoosh sound, which I'm going to drag farther, a little earlier. Maybe that's fine. Maybe here, the 25 frame. And then I'm doing another thing, which is gonna be heavy punch movement, I think. Yeah, let's see. Let's play. And that's a method that is making him go forward.
Round 1, fight.
Let's see how the things look now. So there you go. You see what I'm saying? So you're going back and then pow, pow. But the problem is this dude is going backwards. So, and also the amount, I don't like it. So let's fix that actually. I don't care. So let's create another script for that. Thinking, I'm thinking, guys. 1 second. But I saw some other script there too. Trying to figure out if I did heavy punch movement is the one. And then heavy react movement. Oh, that's heavy react movement is a method that when you get knocked out, it's pushing backward. Heavy react slide. Which one is it? Yeah. I don't know if you hear it. I put some punch whoosh, which is woo. That sounds like the hand sound. But okay, let me fix this actually. Let's go back to our script. And I don't know if it's the movement script. Let's find that method, which is face right, face left, knocked out, victory, face left, jump pause, on trigger enter, nope. And you know, I love C# guys, because it's so much easier. So here is heavy react movement, heavy punch movement, punch slide, right? That's the one. So punch slide is, yeah, this one is turning. You see, this one is turning this true, which makes the guy, your enemy, also go forward. No, backward. I'm sorry. So I've done this because I didn't want my. This was temporarily solution for when my guy is hitting the opponent. I didn't want his hand or fist go through his opponent's body, like enter into his head. So that's why I pushed the other guy too. But now, for this particular one, we need to not do that, because mostly we are moving back when we hit the back, you know, back, whatever it's called, back flip, back. I'm forgetting all the time that stupid name. Where is it? The hell is it? Did I put that somewhere here? Yeah, here it is. Yeah, the back fist or whatever. Yeah, back fist attack. So now back fist attack. When using that, mostly you are walking backwards. That's how you hit it. So automatically, I would say that we need to create another method for that. Now, how am I gonna do that? Is you see we have here heavy punch movement, heavy punch slide, and this is reaction. Now I'm gonna add another one here, but I'm going to call it heavy punch movement. So this is, let's say, back flip, no, back, god damn it, I'm constantly forgetting that stupid name. Back fist. Back fist. Yeah, back fist. Why am it's not even a hard thing, but I just back fist. Back fist movement. Okay, let's call it B, and here let's call it B fist slide. So just back fist slide, pretty much. So this one, I need to, this is coroutine that I'm using. And the reason you want to use coroutine is because the video in a video game has frames, right? I don't know if you know what frames are, but let's say a good game has like 120 frames per second, which means those frames are like pictures, stack of pictures. Each picture is a frame, because a movie or a video contains, it's a collection of pictures which run quickly one after another. So you know, I don't know if you ever seen one of those back fist slide. I think that's how I called it here. Yeah. So I don't know if you ever seen one of those guys that they take like a bunch of paper, and on each page they are picturing, or I mean they paint, or they draw like an animation, and then they do like, they turn those pages around very quickly and it looks like a video. So that's pretty much how actually that's how it works. So first thing first, I don't need this and I don't need this. And heavy moving is true or false. Why do I do this here? Oh, he's blocking it. Yeah, so I need to add something like this. I mean, he's blocking. I'm blocking it. So the heavy moving is here. So I'm gonna need a private. Let me do this, and that's here. Let's say moving, back fist, B fist moving equals false, and then heavy moving. Where is he using that? So it's if heavy moving is true. Oh. 1 second. This guy. Oh, I need to do the same thing. This is for if it's on the right and left side, guys. So if we want this thing to work on both sides, this slide, we need to add this because otherwise it's gonna only work for one side. So B fist moving equals true. Then if the player 1 moves facing right, then we do this punch slide amount, and the punch slide amount is the amount I'm using here. Yeah, so let me create another one. Public float. It doesn't have to be public. B fist slide amount, and let's say equals to 6.0f because it's float. All right, so what I'm doing here, I'm creating a variable of type float, and I'm gonna use that. So this is just pretty much to distinguish which side are we looking at. To distinguish if I'm on the right side and I'm doing the same attack type, do not go also on the same side, but go to the other. That's pretty much how easily I could explain. So because when you do backslide, I'm trying to make some code that it pushes you forward, like, when you do that, you want to go towards the enemy. So this part of code is just making sure that B fist moving is moving towards, so it's checking if your enemy is facing right or facing left. And if you are facing right, then he's going towards enemy, which is the right side. If here it's checking if player 1 moves facing left is true, those are the variables showing if your guy is on the left or right side, then it's gonna push it to the left side. So that's pretty much how that I've created this code before, so I remember, and I want to just explain so you can understand. But here, yeah, the waiting seconds, it takes 0.4 seconds, so that's like 4 milliseconds, I believe. And then here I have heavy moving, and that should be changed by the variable I just created, which is B fist moving. So let's do that here. Where the hell is this thing? Kick whoosh. Yeah, so all I have to do is turn this to, wait for 0.4 seconds, and at the end just reset it out. That's it. Save. I mean, I'm trying to explain you the code as much as I can. It's not the rocket science or anything, but you know, just want you to understand what I'm doing. And I know for beginners doesn't always make sense. If you try to make games, you better learn coding, especially. It doesn't matter which language, you know. Some people are like, yeah, you need the C++. You know, those type of concepts in coding are working exact the same, no matter what programming language you are using. Obviously, Unity uses C#, which is amazing, very nice coding language. If you're using Unreal Engine, it's gonna be C++. But again, those concepts are very familiar. So, oh, one second. I forgot. After you finish all that, we have to go back to the animation and back fist. And this one was the second one. I want to you see, this is just the method I created in the code, which says B fist slide, right? And now, automatically, when we hit the frame 26,
round 1, fight.
It should automatically slide forward. Let's see if it works. Okay, yeah, we're moving forward. Let's go back. There you go. You see what I'm talking about? Look him going forward, and it looks so much natural. So if you are here, and then you could just there you go. 1, 2, 3. There you go. But you see, it's going through this thing and hitting this guy. Well, right now I'm thinking, guys, this going back is automatically almost making no chance to connect to the enemy. You see, I'm almost no chance to, unless this dude is coming forward, and then like this, I could smack him. And then here, obviously, I don't have that animation, so on this side it won't work. So yeah, so at this point my code is pretty much working, but just the activation.
Round 1, fight.
I'm thinking about something. I could maybe do the same, do that when I'm moving towards him instead of going back. Like, if you move towards your enemy and click that, I don't know, that's not a bad idea. I checked in Tekken, and in Tekken you just do this back and hit, and it's turning, and that makes sense. You see, but you want to connect this bastard? That's the problem, though. There you go. But the problem I'm having is, like, look at his hand. He needs to connect it, but it's too far. How the hell I'm gonna connect like this? Unless you're going back and he's coming and you want to surprise him, right? Which is not bad approach. You could like move back and the guy is coming, and the moment comes, you like Jaga, and you smack him. Well, we could test that actually, and I'll show you how. Before that, let's do this and finalize this move. I mean, you know what? I'm gonna leave this because you don't hit someone backflip in middle of day, like go there and backflip on him, right? So backflip is like a hidden game you want to use when someone is attacking you and coming on you, and you like, when you feel its moment is right, you just pow, you hit him from surprise. So I think I leave as it is now. I kind of like it. It obviously is not a way to attack someone from scratch, right? But it's like a surprise thing. When someone is coming on you, you just play with him, let him come, and then you like catch this. And yeah, I kind of like that approach. Now what I'm gonna do though, let's go back to our animation and I'll show you why. Obviously we need to open this thing. We have to find the bone structure, hip, pelvis, left. Let me show you. This is his feet. So waist, spine, base, upper arm, forearm, and there you go. We got his left hand, left fist. So we have here left fist, light punch. Those are all those gizmos that I was talking about. So you want to see what that is? Right here. 1 second. Why I cannot see? Oh, because gizmos are off. So let me make closer to his hand so you see what I'm talking about. So here you see I have this gizmo, which is kind of too big obviously, but I'm gonna make those smaller and smaller as we go. So when I connect with this thing, because this has fist light, let me make it like this so you can see. You see here it has a fist light tag, and whenever I use this, the enemy gets a hit, a reaction movement. So the animation is getting triggered. Now, but the thing is, this thing has to be active. Right now it's deactivated. And how we are activating is very easy actually. You have to go to the back fist. We go like this. So he's turning. Let me make a little back. So turning. And at this point, or even a little farther right here, what I want to do, I'm clicking on this red record button on my animation, and I'm simply activating it until it goes and turns, and somewhere here I'm deactivating it, and that's pretty much it. So now you see it's activating. Alright, and then now we click this again, because we have automatically, if you go all the way down here, you see that there is a key automatically added to it. So now let's play and see if I can smack this
Round
dude.
1, fight.
Which is probably I could, but it's gonna be taking me very hard time to do it. There you go. You saw? So I'm like, wow, that's pretty nice. Okay, obviously here I'm gonna be adding like super stuff, like a specific. There you go. This one didn't get him. This one did get him. But you see he's going through this other dude's body, which is another issue, which I'm gonna fix later on with colliders, I'm assuming. But at this point, at least we have that, so we can jump. Wait a minute, how the hell? Yeah, there you go. Oh. So at this point, if he would attack me, and I'm gonna show you how I could, what I'm gonna do actually, 1 second, let me this guy. So Mariak 2, player 2, let's delete him for now. Let's go to character prefabs. I want Mariak AI. So AI versions are ones that they attack you automatically. And now let's test it in the practice.
Round 1. Fight.
Okay, you see this guy is attacking me, so he's coming on me, right? So I'm moving back and I'm like, what's up? What's up? You want to fight? Shit. Okay, that didn't went too well. You see my people fell off the cliff, which I'm gonna block later so they can't do that, but anyways.
Round 1. Fight.
Let's see. I'm coming. He's coming after me. I'm like moving back. And then I got him, but you know, not that easy. Why is this guy so hard? He's crazy. He's coming on me.
Round 1. Fight.
So, oh, that was.
Your nose.
Okay. He's pretty pissed, this guy. He's kicking my ass. What the hell is wrong with this dude?
Round 1. Fight.
I can't even reach this guy. He's tripping. Okay, I got him. Finally. That wasn't easy. But you know, in life also, it's not easy to surprise someone with that hit. So, mission accomplished, in my opinion. You know, it's like, that's definitely not gonna be your main weapon to kick somebody's butt. But, here is this dude's gizmo, which is pretty huge actually. I would have to like work on it a little bit. Like the one from my dude is smaller, so it's harder to hit this guy than this guy. But anyways, I'm still working on it. This is a process. If you think this is easy to do those things, it's not, okay? So now let's take that crazy guy out of my face and let's put this one that doesn't move, because this is a player 2. So let's first thing first, save this right now as it is now. But I'm gonna delete those 2 because the game doesn't use those. So nice, we have a back flip punch, right? Unfortunately, for now, it only works in one side. So how can we add this to the other side? Well, easy answer is we need to, there is no easy answer actually on this one. Let me see. Okay. Let me make this smaller. So we need the same situation as here, but since we worked so hard, so we put back fist. What I'm gonna do, let's do this. Let's go up and let's you see I have right now I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 players. You would say what? So out of the 6 players, they are 2 same looking guys, but one of them is AI, which is a robot that is fighting against you, that you just saw in action. Pretty tough bastard. Second one is the player 1 Mariak. So when you play with the player 1, this dude is here, but they are different. It has to be like that because the player 1 has a little bit different view than the player 2 anyways. And then we have player 2, which is the one you see now, and I have same set for all those. So each of them have their own animation controller and etc. So which means right now I'm updating player 1 Zelim, okay? So this guy here is updated a little bit. So I just added new features. So what I'm gonna do in the future, I will just, you know, add those same features to these guys. But now this guy is not ready yet because it's ready only on one side. So what I'm gonna do, if you go to combat forward, we have the back fist, which is pretty nice. and we cut it a little bit. Remember, we made a cut because the animation was too long. So now, to not make life miserable, what we're gonna do is click Control and D, Control and D, and then we copy this to combat back right here. And now we're going to the flip side in animation, and let me just actually put those here so we can actually see what I'm doing, because sometimes I have like feeling that you guys cannot see well. Alright, so here is animation on the top, and if I enter here, you see I don't have the block, and I don't even have the combo, which I haven't added here yet. Holy crap, that sucks. I forgot to add the combo here, which we have to do it. Well, that sucks. Let me try that actually. So because of that, I created a whole combo.
Round 1, fight.
And look, this combo is like 1, 2, and 3, right? Which, I mean, obviously needs some work. And now here, if you do 1, 2, 3, I hear the thing, but it's not there. The animation is missing. That's why it only works on one side. And then you can do 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I like this combo. It's pretty nice. But we are missing that combo in the other side, and which I'm gonna right now. We take care of all that. Let's start with like punching, whatever. This thing has to be also changed. So what I'm gonna do now, oh shit, I think I'm missing a lot of things in here on the other side. This idle, did I change the idle too? God damn it, I changed a lot of things because I was testing stuff, and you see I forgot to update it, and then now 4 players of mine are missing features. So anyways, I'm not gonna cry about it, but let's see something, because I'm assuming the problem is bigger than we think it is, and I'll tell you why.
Round 1, fight.
So you see here I'm hitting left jab, and then I'm doing the back flip. I mean back flips I'm doing with left hand. Let's go turn here. Okay, it's right hand now. You see that? You see what I'm saying? So here he's punching, which is with his right hand though, which means if I do back flip, I can't use the same video, which sucks. But life is not always easy, so we just don't give up, and we just take care of the situation that we're in. Now look, thanks God, Unity has implemented this thing called Meteor. So if I play this dude, holy crap, I click on the wrong one, didn't I? Yeah. Alright, I choose block instead of freaking... Why the hell is this guy even... Oh, I choose the block, sorry, my bad. Alright, so you see this guy right now is using his left hand, but if I click on the meteor though, he should be using his right hand, which is meteoring it out, which is like flipping like the direction, right? Since we don't want to have something looking like very different, let me just correct this name convention here. So we are just, we can use the meteor in some cases, so the animation is the exact same. We don't want to have an animation little longer, little this, little that. Oh hell no. And look at the good news, because we copied that, the punch whoosh sound is there, and the fist slide is there too. Since in the code we took care of it, we should be good to go. But how? Obviously, we just have to grab this back fist, push it here, and then we going there from making transition from any state, and then we going from here to the idle. That's pretty much it, right? And here, I mean, you can still do it from. Anyways, this we don't care too much about. We can do from any position, right? Why is this guys? Because we don't need that. Okay, whatever. Alrighty, so now back fist is happening with his. Is it his right hand? Pretty much. Alright. I mean, we have to look at this again and improve it and make sure it feels kind of the same. But now we got that. Now, let's test it out. We don't have to add any code at this point because we already coded, remember?
Round 1. Fight.
Okay, let me make it more visible. Okay, let's jump over this dude. Okay, something isn't right. Oh, I know what isn't right. I know exactly what isn't right, guys. I forgot to mention, remember, we have to take care of this in the code, but not all the way. Because look at this. You see this one? We are just debugging it, like putting an information in the console. By the way, it's a good practice to get rid of those later on after you use it. So pretty much back fist, copy, and I'm gonna show you what else we forgot. Paste. Yeah, it's always something I'm forgetting. So we took care of that, but there is another issue, guys, and I don't know if some of you might understand what it is. I'll show you what it is. If we go to parameters, okay, no, actually parameters are only one for all of them, I guess. So we should be fine on that. I mean, I don't have to create 2 parameters, but I need to do something else, and I'll show you what. I have to activate the trigger as what the hell, why is this so ugly? Yeah, anyways, so here why it says leg sweep all the time? This pisses me off. Foot I key, oh, that's good. Conditions, let's choose. The condition has to be the back fist. Yeah, nice. So let's save this, go back to the game and play it. Now it should work, hopefully.
Round 1. Fight.
Okay. Okay, that's weird though. You see, as soon as I'm doing that, he's doing another punch too. This one is doing one only, while this guy, just jump over him, you gypsy. Why you were trying like, there you go. Why is he freaking hitting twice? So I'm gonna try to... Okay, you see that doesn't work at this point. Here it works. Come on, you lazy bastard, jump over him. There you go. Let me check the code. Something is not right, but it does work. Might be a transition thing or something else, but something is off, guys. 1 second. So what am I doing wrong here? So else if facing left, horizontal. I don't know, what the hell am I doing wrong? Okay, I know what I'm doing wrong. First of all, I'm missing this part. I'm not checking if it's jumping or not. You see here we have 3 if statements. Here we have 2 of them because we need 3. And now he cannot do that while jumping. It's one issue solved. Let me see this. Actually, now it looks so clear like this. Alright, so right now I fixed while jumping and back fisting, but I think there is something else that why am I on the other side? So I don't understand that though. Is it? So on the other side, it's hitting twice, which doesn't make sense to me. Like, why is it hitting twice? You know? That's tricky, guys. Sometimes you get those stupid bugs and then you have to figure out what the hell are you doing wrong. I just don't know sometimes, you know. Anyways, let me try again because I fixed the jumping issue. Maybe that's what it was causing it. I'm not 100% sure, but let's give it a shot again. Yeah, you know, making games takes a lot of repetition.
Round 1. Fight.
It's kind of crazy. So here we are. Boom, one time. Just okay, let me going back. Boom shaka. Going back. He's jumping and pissing me off. See? I don't know. He's hitting it twice. Something is not right. God damn it. So let's check and see if everything is the same. So here it has exit time. Here it does not have exit time. It has back fist. And pretty much it. Now let's test this one. Let's see if it's so. here has exit time is nothing. So what was it here? God damn it, where the hell is this thing? Let me see. Has exit time is same thing. Leg sweep. I don't know about that. So let me just put this here. It looks nicer, doesn't it? Yeah. All right, let's. Yeah, this is getting me, guys. I hate shit like this. So. And here it shows randomly any action, right? You could choose leg sweep or idle, whatever you feel is right for you. I mean, I don't even know if there is idle though. There should be idle. Getting up air kick. Anyway, I don't give a damn about this. This is just bullshit. So it comes from any transition, right? So from any state, it comes to it. Now, foot I key. Oh, by the way, I didn't even check if the right hand was used. I forgot to check. Let me check that.
Round 1. Fight.
So here animation is moving back, forward, backward, boom. And you see he's using his left hand. Very important. Left hand. Come on, stop jumping like a gypsy. I think this jumping part is pissing me off. It's getting triggered too easy, you know. I have to fix that because this is pissing me off. Okay, one left hand. Okay, that's fine. And he has the movement, right? He's moving forward when he's doing that. Look. 1 second. When this gypsy is done jumping, yeah, he's moving forward. Clearly, he's moving forward. Now, same thing here. But here, for some reason, he's following with another punch. I think I had that issue before and I fixed somehow, but I have to dig into the code and figure out why am I getting that. Because I don't want that. Obviously, I don't want it. You see this part? Somehow, let me see why. Okay. So where the freaking hell is the punch? Fire 2. So if fire and horizontal is if player is jumping, it's false. I'm triggering it. Okay. So one is horizontal is up and the other is down. So actually I think the problem is the regular punch. So this guy here is getting activated when we click this. Somehow, when I'm using this and this combo, this guy gets activated, but I don't want him to get activated. But then why the hell okay, here we have a motion tag. So if player 1 layer 0 is tag is motion, right? Main attack button actions. I think this motion tag is the one causing the issue. Let me double check something. So we have light punching that is going nuts. So tag is attack, and here tag is attack too. But okay, light punching combo. So base layer. So when I'm moving backwards, here the tag is motion. So moving forward, we have a motion here too. So you see we have two movements here and here. Okay, let's check if we have same thing here. There is a motion and motion, so it's same exact setup. Then why we are getting that? Well, here we have a condition if the forward is true, and then here backward is true. How about here? I don't know, guys. I'm trying to figure out what the hell am I doing wrong. But anyways, I think I'm just gonna have to search that later on, because I don't want to spend like an hour here trying to debug what the hell is wrong with that. Instead, let's update the 3 hit combo like we have in here. You see, let's add it to the same place, and also we need to use different animations. So as you can see, we are using KBP jab left, jab right, and uppercut right. So but before doing that, I think I know why I didn't add that, because simply those hits were not so nice. What I mean by that is, you know, I wanted to look real, look realistic. I don't want garbage animations looking like trash. So that's the reason I didn't add them, because the left jab is pretty nice, the right jab, and I kind of, you know, changed those few times, but I was trying pretty much I didn't really look into the aesthetics of the animations, but I looked more like into aesthetics of the moves, and like I wanted to do like the code part, which code part right now it's supposed to work. So I'm not gonna, you know, it's pretty easy. I have to do the same thing I just showed you, and then that's pretty much it. Now what I'm gonna do though, let's think about some other attacks and what we could use potentially, and how I'm gonna do that. I'm going to do something that a lot of people do, but nobody's telling about it. I actually used this Tekken 7 game. I just like Tekken because I've been playing since I was a kid. I'm not gonna play now, but using 2 other combinations, it's using the same thing. So we have a back flip, which is great. Now let's think about what else we need as a combo, right? Backflip is fine, and 3-hit combo is pretty much ready. All I have to do is just copy the logic to the other one, and etc., and then to the other ones, to some of them actually. Yeah. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm trying to understand. Let me think, guys. What else? What else? Yeah, we need a super patch and special attack of some type. Thanks God I bought another crazy cool package which is available on Udemy, a set store. Lately I got these animations that are pretty sick, and let me try to get it. Trying to see where the hell did I put, oh, there it is. Yakuza anime set or something. They pretty cool animations. We have humanoid and generic. I don't know if you can see this, most likely you can. So here is the guy standing, that's idle. I wanna some special attack type of thing. And you see this one is nice because it has the option in place, so that makes my life easier. Okay, so this one is, let me do something about this. Let's check in place this one. I'm trying to figure something nice. Oh, this is nice, like a heavy power hit, like a low lever or something. Yeah, I like this. So this is gonna be a super smash or some type. So yeah, I'm gonna use this as a super attack. But now we need to figure out I need to do another combination, but it's just gonna be one freaking 2 buttons again. And here's my joystick. I wanna use LB, so left thing and then X, right? So it gives me like, so pushing left LB and actually, yeah, you know what, I'm gonna use LT instead of LB because LT looks much more fun. So you just click this, and then each of those is gonna be different. Oh, I'm trying to show. So I'm gonna use this joystick button, but I don't know which number it has, which sucks. We have to figure that out. I'm using the old system in Unity. It's called old input system. There is a new system. Obviously, it makes things a little different, and I haven't, like, you know, I learned the old way and it's good enough for me. So I'm trying to now figure out. Okay, let's see how I'm gonna do that, and I don't know. There is a lot of joystick input manager, and then axis and fire. So I have to figure out fire 3, for instance, joystick button 1, you see. So we have to add that joystick number, whichever, but I'm hoping to find actually something that's gonna tell me. Let me see. I think Windows had that. Xbox joystick something. My joystick is based on Xbox joystick stick. Do I have a? Trying to figure out if here I can find that in PDP wired. PDP wired controller. Let me see. I saw there was something like a joystick, Unity joystick button detector. Yeah, how the hell find out if any button on any gamepad has been pressed? There you go. That's hi. That little pretty much said. So find out if button on any gamepad has been pressed. Which one? There you go. To find out. No, there isn't any button option. But if you need to find which one, you have to monitor them all in anyways. God damn it. Okay. Joystick Esperanza. Okay, so this is a code. Let's. This is nice. Yeah, this code is going through all of them, and if you click something, it should tell you. So let's copy this. I like these guys. You see, that's why you have to be a developer. So because this is a for, let me explain you what is happening in this code for some people who don't know. So this guy just is doing a for loop. So loop is an iteration. So he's starting with integer with the number 0, and as long as integer is integer is below 20, he's adding it up, and he keeps going in the like it's iteration. So he's checking with the if condition, if input get key down, and then he's using the iteration. Let's say if it's 1, it's printing joystick button 1 was clicked, joystick button 2 was clicked, and etc. And it goes through 20. So right now, if I use this, oh yeah, this guy says you have to turn it into string. You have to use to convert it to the string, so there is fixed snippet. Yeah, that's not a biggie. I might help someone. I'm using Logitech wireless gamepad. Here, detection pressed button. If get key down. Okay, here is the description of buttons of the gamepad. Okay, this guy is using similar approach. But why is it debugging woohoo? I don't get it. I don't know. That's kind of weird. But the logic is the same. I think I'll prefer this approach, which is the same, whichever approach. You see, this guy is using variable. Why is this anonymous key down or something? What the hell is he doing? Anyways, I'm gonna use this approach, and then obviously I could turn this I into string so we can see it. Let me try this one, and then if that doesn't work, we can search for another one. Alright, let me. Yeah, some people might now think I'm a. Why are you gonna do that, you know? Dude, you have to check some stuff online. If you have never touched this thing, don't be afraid. Google is always your friend. No matter how advanced of a developer you are, you want to figure things out. Sometimes, you know, it's always a good thing to check your colleagues and see and figure out if There might be something valuable. So I'm gonna put that in the update script right here, and then obviously later on we could just code that part. And then that to string. 1 second, why is it? Yeah. So, but this print, is it gonna work in my, or should I debug that? Anyways, let's try this approach. If print doesn't work for some reason, I'm gonna use debug that something. All right. Let's start it up and see, because I'm trying to figure out
Round 1.
what
Fight.
buttons I'm using. So obviously you go to the console. So yep, this one is button 0. You guys see that, right? Now okay, so this one is button 4. And the LT doesn't work. Button 5. Okay, so button 4 and button 2. So we need button 4 and button 2. So this is button 3. Yeah. So button 4 and button 2, and now where is the code? So now what we could do is simply just comment this out, so it doesn't disturb us. But next time we need just decomment it, and obviously when you finish with the game you want to take those things out. But now we know button 4 is the one on the top, LB. So I'm gonna go with LB because it was able to detect, just simply for that. Now what I'm gonna do, I want to click on build settings. No, that's not the one. Project settings, I believe. Project settings. 1 second. Let's say Fire 1 is using button 0. You see? That's all we care about. Yeah. Fire 2, button 1, and Fire 3 is button 2. Okay. So, okay, how the hell would I? Let's make it. So now we have to. You see, we have 32 buttons here. We want to turn to 34. Okay. You see, we have 2 blocks, which you just changed the name. Let's change the name to special or something. Special. Yeah. LB. I'm just gonna. LB is for. Okay, so joystick is gonna be joystick number. 1 second, let me see actually. This is joystick 2. Let's turn to joystick 1. Key or mouse button here. Let's just. Let me check the first one. Did I joystick 1? Just leave the key or mouse button. X-axis is fine. And then you just copy this. Okay, this one is special. And let's put this here. Let's do that 4. Okay, all the rest I'm not really into it. Just leave as it is. And positive button. Oh, that's alt positive button though. 1 second. I just have to use the positive one, not alt positive. So special, god damn it, what the hell did I just click? Special, yeah, here. So positive button is this one, so let's do that 4. That's it, that's pretty much it. And then fire 1, any of those, gravity. Maybe I want to do this same combination. I don't think it makes big difference, but if the other ones have it, why not have this one on it, you know? And then the fire 1, this is 0.01. So at this point I'm creating a joystick for PlayStation for the player 1, right? So joystick 1, as you can see, if you go to fire, it's joystick 1, obviously. And so the special, and this one is gonna be special 2, right? Yeah. And this is gonna be exact same thing. Here is gonna be 1000. Here is gonna be 1000. This one, let's take it out. This one I'm gonna, this part I'm going to probably at the end I'm going to have to like edit it, so I have for both for keyboard and mouse the same options, which you just do with alternative positive, right? And then you have negative, but that's like if you are moving forward and backward, that's when you use negative and positive, which is plus and minus. But if you just have a regular one, you have you use the positive button and then alternative positive 2. So I could basically put here something like a G, and on my keyboard the G would do the same thing, which right now I don't really want to do it because my player 1 I'm using actually a joystick. But in the future, after you know the game is ready and everything, I'm going to go through those things, those little things, and I'm gonna tweak them and make sure that variation of devices you could use it. Which another thing I'm thinking about to do is, like, you know, the D-pad is those you know, like and then you have a dual shock type of joystick. It's the axis versus D-pad. So the D-pad is up, down, left, and right. The old traditional one. So I'm thinking to, you know, use the same thing for left, right, and etc. etc. So for that reason, we needed to know D-back. No, I don't care about D-back specialty. So we needed to know which joystick button, in this case is 4, which is going to be the LB, which is this one on the corner, which we were missing obviously. So now we have that. Button 4 is there. Now let me see if I could drag this somehow upstairs or downstairs. Not really, which sucks. How can I do that though? Anyways, I don't care. So this is for player 1, joystick 1, and then this one is for joystick 2. You can see that? Yeah, great. Now we had another issue with blocking. I don't know if you remember, when I was blocking, you see joystick button 5 was doing that, which is the other one on the other corner. But now it was not really, that's not really blocking, but it's more like a dodging. But anyways, you see this one is player joystick 2, and here joystick 1, and I'm still getting that. Then why? Probably this is the positive one. 1 second. Yeah, you see, here is the issue. Look, this one is the positive button 05. While here I'm using F and positive button 5, but this is joystick 2 though. I don't understand why it's working. No, if the problem is not here, then the problem is in the code. Let's check the code. And that's gonna be for player 2, obviously. Where is the player 2? Player script, right here. Player 2 action script. Okay, don't show this garbage ever again. I don't even know what the hell it is. Now, let's see. Block 2. Oh, that's freaking strange. So here I'm saying if the button block 2 gets down, that's when he should one second, man, this is pissing me off. So here we have a block 1 and block 2. Block, this one is block, but this one is block 2. Okay, another place where things could be wrong is the animator of player 2, which is Mariak. So we have to go to Mariak controller flip side, because it's while player 2 it's on the flip side, and then block air tag, any tag, attack. Okay, here the name is block parameters block on. So the block on is a condition to start blocking, and the name here is block, but this name doesn't matter. I don't think it matters. What matters is here. This is getting tricky, guys. This shouldn't even be the case, because this normally what is going on is when you are here. So I have to look into this again. There's so much things I have to look into that I'm getting crazy. So the block 2, you know what I'm gonna do? Let's take this thing out, because we don't use it anyways. Why should there be a freaking positive joystick 1? And I know why, guys. I know why. You see, it says joystick button 5. It doesn't say joystick 2. Like if you go here, it says joystick 1. You see what I'm saying? So if you are using joystick 1, that's indication for joystick 1. So okay, I found it finally, man. I was like, what the hell? So here the block 2 is just saying joystick 5. So it means any joystick probably by default, or it doesn't indicate joystick 2, so probably it's I'm assuming it's gonna be any joystick. So that's why when we click that, this thing is also making a block, which we're gonna test right now. So here we say, you see, we say joystick 1, and here we say joystick 1. So we good. There you go. I fixed it. How do I know? I don't. So we can test it and figure it out. All right, let's see.
Round 1. Fight.
So we are here. Bow on his face. Backflip, right? There you go. You see? My dude is doing it. The other guy It's not doing it. And now we can work towards this one. This is the second button and the fourth button. So if you do those both, he's gonna do a special attack. Okay? Now what I'm gonna do, this is crazy, guys. It's like I didn't even know this is so fun. I just enjoy doing this, believe it or not. I enjoy working on those things. It's pretty fun thing to do. Coding a game. All right, let's see. Let's go back to the code. And here, this is player 2, guys. Let's close that because we're gonna update that later, obviously. This is the way we found which joystick is it. So it's pretty, just 3 lines of code, but it does magic. Now I go back to this guy where main attack buttons are, and well, this one had to do with movement, so we didn't, you know. So let's we need to create other ones, but I think it should be in the movement. Well, I don't remember why I put this movement, but it was so when you are walking, it wouldn't really, when you walk in middle of walk, it would not start those animations, as far as I can remember. So here we got a fire, light punch, fire 1. This is another one when you do firewall and left. So this is the what we just created. And here we are checking if it's facing right or facing left. Why were we doing that? Because the back fist and movement, and if it's not jumping, yeah. But I'm just wondering right now why we are not looking into those things in these ones, the side, right? I'm trying to remember what I was thinking to do that. Why did I put facing left or facing right? Because which side? I mean, I don't mind, but I'm just trying to make sense why here does not matter. Actually, maybe because this here does not matter is causing that I'm having double hits and stuff like that, which is bad. Oh, and also because of this movement, I remembered. Because if we are on the right side, we have to push left. In the right side, we push to the right, yeah. While the other ones don't have right and left, they just have a movement. That's why. All right, now it makes sense. Now it makes sense. But now it's not gonna be really matter, I guess, where we at. We just do a special, and based on special, I guess it will be just working fine. So this is the fire 2 button, so let's do just after the fire, so we have same convention. You see, we have fire 1 and then fire 1 with some other button, so that would keep like same convention. When you write a code, try to make easy for readers, because that's probably you later on or someone else who joins your team. You want to keep things clean. So now let's copy this and paste it here. So if the fire button 2 is down, and then we use this, so this condition means that both fire 2 button and other button, which is we just created, have to be down. If they not, this will never enter. So this condition, the way I'm always imagining this thing, when I started programming, this was an issue, because you have this and then you have this. This is called pipe. The pipe means that it's either or. So which means if you click fire 2 or you click special, which I'm gonna put here, sorry guys, I just got a message, and there you go. So here is, in this case, if you click the LB button, it would enter the if statement. If you click fire 2 button, it would enter the fire 2 button, so it would enter. So this is or this or this. If you click this button or that button, it would enter, which is gonna be mess. You don't want that. But when you put those and 2 time, imagine this is left. I watched this tutorial once, like 10 years ago, and that was the only best explanation. Imagine you have a door with 2 keys. This left one is that the keyhole that you need 1 key, and the right one is another keyhole that you need so left key and right key. And when you have those old safes in the movies and fantasy that you need 2 keys to turn and open it. So imagine like that. So this is that situation. So when you turn the left key on and the right key, you need both keys to enter this kingdom. Just, I don't know, it always helped me to imagine these things, so I thought I'll put it out there, maybe someone could use it. So this is the, so when this condition is true and this condition is true, this thing will enter. So obviously we need to comment this out, because right now we don't have the animation yet, we're still working on the code. Let's say, and always try to comment special 1. So it's LB button plus X button. I'm gonna be putting this in terms of Xbox, but you can use any other keyboard or joystick. For myself, this is gonna make sense. And now another thing, we have to make sure this string is exact correct. So to make sure, again, we have to go to the project settings, and here where the buttons are, we just have to find back this name special, and it has to be exact same. So in some cases it's good practice to just copy those so you don't make typo and then why the hell is this thing not working. That's a good practice actually. So let me paste it here. There you go. Save it. Now I'm gonna put debug.log, and then we will be like entered special 1, just for our reference. Obviously save this, and now is the moment of truth. Let's go back to the game. Obviously right now we won't see anything in the game itself, but we will see in the console because I put the debug.log.
Round 1, fight.
Alright, so now I'm coming close to this dude and I'm clicking it. Okay. Did I put something wrong? Okay, that's weird. Okay, why isn't it working now? Well, I don't freaking know. Why? Fire Q special. Was there a typo right now? I hope it wasn't. I just pasted just to be sure. Maybe there was a typo.
Round 1. Fight.
Jesus Christ, it's not working, guys. I don't know why, but it's not freaking working. Huh. Why is it not working? First of all, I have some code in there that is pissing me off, blocking my way to see things. And that's those. A return was clicked. That's when I was making the combo work. That's why it makes sense to clean up after yourself. So, whatever, bro. I don't know why that shit doesn't work. Doesn't make sense. Edit. Something I'm doing wrong, probably, guys. I have to figure it out. Just, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So it's joystick 1. Joystick 1, button 4. Maybe this stupid LP here. Descriptive name. This is joystick 2. The name is special 2, right? I don't know why it's not working. So here we have fire 1, fire 2, fire 3, and the name is same. So it's kind of weird, man. I can't understand why wouldn't it work. Maybe that description bullshit caused that. I took the description off. Now let's try it again.
Round 1. Fight.
Okay, this is weird, guys. I'm like freaking pissed. That means the joystick freaking button number isn't right. But I cannot agree with that, because if we check here, we had somewhere the black which is button 5. Oh, wait a freaking minute. this one says joystick button 5. And we said joystick 1 button 5. So is that a difference? I don't know, man. It's kind of. But why are those working though? This is x-axis. So something is wrong with this garbage, guys. So joystick 1 button 4. That's crazy. Why is not working though? Let me try that actually right now. Which is gonna be sick probably, but probably that's the case scenario. What we have to do, just take the joystick 1 out. Just joystick. And it's probably gonna work now, but I'm not gonna be too happy about it, because probably now it's gonna be using like any joystick.
Round 1. Fight.
Okay guys, it's not working. Congrats. God damn it. Alright, whatever, look what I'm gonna do. This guy pisses me off. I like that. Because you know what? I like challenges. So maybe this is the problem though. Do we have that bullshit there? No. That's why. This gravity bullshit. Sensitivity. Maybe that's the key issue, guys. I try to make the same and it didn't work. Let's put that on the 0. Maybe this is the reason this thing is not freaking working. I don't know. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna have to try until this shit works. And sorry for my French, but that's the way we work in the game development, goddammit.
Round 1. Fight.
Okay. Alrighty, so that didn't go well either. Let's see. Project settings. Where are we at? Special. So fire button, joystick 1, joystick button. Let me copy this. Fire 3. Let me come here. Paste it here. Let me call this fire 4. I don't know why. Because maybe the special something wrong with that shit. Fire 4. Alright. Now in the code I'm gonna do something else. Not this. Get button down, fire Fire 4. Is there a 4 here? No, there isn't. And I'm gonna take this stupid shit out for now. I'm just trying to test if that one button works. And if not, then we're gonna try. Oh, by the way, this has to be the 4. Yeah. Right? Yeah. So let's do this. Save. So at this point, I'm trying to make that one button work. Because
Round 1. Fight.
Alright, now it freaking works. That's freaking awesome. Now, wow, that was crazy. Now let's go and whatever, let's use the let's just use the same name. Now I'm gonna do fire 2 and fire 4. Okay, whatever, I don't care if it's fire, the name, to be honest. That's just a, you know. But I want this to work. But for some reason, when I'm clicking them together, maybe because...
Round 1. Fight.
Okay, I don't know why, but when I'm putting it like that, like this, it's not freaking working. Because here we had different story, and it was working. So maybe this just is not get button down. I don't know. So I'm doing something wrong, guys. Probably you have to hit those two down at the same exact time, which is the issue, in my opinion. Because when you just do fire 4, it works. So that means the special was working too. But the issue is getting those two like that. Like this, it works, but like that, it doesn't. So now, because I'm new to Unity, and you know, let's see how can we fix that by searching our friends from the Google. So Unity, how to activate something if two buttons are clicked. There you go. You could put this in your update. There is surely a better way, but this is first came to my mind. Not really a good solution in my opinion. On the frame, yeah, so that's what I was thinking. So get button down only registers on the frame the button is pressed, which means that two of them being true only happens if the player manages to press them approximately at the same time. That being said, this is not very difficult to code it up. Right pressed, left pressed. So that's definitely not what I'm looking for. This is kind of sad. That's what we're looking for. Try doing something like this. So here is doing if get button down key 1 and get button to key 2, or key 2 and get button key 1 do jump. This allows the action to be performed when you are already holding one of the buttons and you press down the second one. For additional tweaking, add time factor as well. Time. No, I don't want a time factor, but maybe we have to. Maybe let's try the top one. So just want to post here the solution I actually ended up using for anyone else with similar problem. After further testing, I found the above solution still inconsistent at the times, with occasional misfire of the button inputs. This solution is very simple one. Yeah, well, okay, there you go. It says I simply used get button for both keys, which means there is no chance of misfiring like there is get button down. Yeah, that's pretty nice. There you go. That's our answer, guys. So I was doing it correctly, but using different method. The get button down versus get button. That's perfect. Thank you, sir. Hamesh81. He did us a big favor, guys. So instead of get button down, we want to do get button. That's exactly what we need. So here, all right. So now, apparently it should work, because I knew this is correct, like the code, but I was like, why is it not working? Because Unity, you have to understand, Unity is connected to frames and stuff, which makes it a little tricky. Something simple like this
Round 1. Fight.
could cause that. All right. Okay, why am I not getting this garbage? Well, I was hoping things are solved, guys, but fire to... Okay, guys, I know why. Oh shit, my bad. So when you do the get button, you don't do the input. That's why. I'm like, what the hell? What I'm doing wrong? So that's something I have to remember, actually, because I might use this a lot. So just get button. Let me stop this again and start it again. What do you mean all compiler errors? Is there a freaking compiler error? Script get button does not exist, it says. Get out of my face. What the hell is he talking about? I probably need some references for this get button. If get button and get button. Am I writing it correct? Fire, yeah, absolutely. Okay, let me check. You see, that's the part, it's tricky when you are new to something. So get button, Unity, get button, can't reference. That's what we need actually, probably. Yeah, that's but this one is says input. So which the freaking hell is it? So I just jump or fire one. Get button will return to false when it is released. I can't understand this. Why the hell is this so hard? Like, why are you making such a big deal? Get button. Input get button. Yeah, here it says input. Input dot get button. So it is input. Jesus Christ. To Nosby. Hey, Nosby, what's up? How are you? Thank you for asking. I'm struggling here.
Round 1. Fight.
To make this thing work. I'm trying to click 2 buttons to hit this dude. Like right here. And I'm trying to do a combo. But apparently Unity works different than C#. If that makes sense. So I'm trying to click both of them together, and the weird thing is, yeah, the kick sound, I have to fix it. It has to be like this. You see? There you go. Yeah, I can show you the code. Actually, I'm new to Unity and I'm trying to figure this one out. So you see, this is the code. I'm trying to use 2 different buttons, and those are checked already. They correspond with the input editor. But the problem I'm having is, normally I used to use get button down, input dot get button down. Like, when I'm using the combination here, it works, right? So I need 2 conditions. So I'm trying to click 2 buttons at the same time to, you know, hit the special attack. So which would be the LB button and the X button in this case scenario on the Xbox controller, which is joystick button 2 and then joystick button 4. So let me show you. If you could help me, that would be great, because I'm checking online right now. So here it is. We got fire 4, which is joystick 1 button 4, and this thing works because I tested. Try to using 1 end instead of 2 ends. Okay, let's try that. So you're thinking it's 1, it's gonna work? Maybe. Let's give it a shot. It's not hard, doesn't harm for trying. Let me save this script. And yeah, I have a lot of things to tweak when it comes to sound, so you know, don't bother. It's just there's so much things to do. And I'm trying to release this game.
Round 1. Fight.
Okay, let's see. It's actually an annoying sound. I'm trying to hit at the same time. It's not working. Yeah, exactly. I don't know either. But let me try something else, because maybe what you're saying with 1 only, maybe I should do the button down. But as far as I know, the button get button down works based on the frames, and that's maybe bad. So yeah, let me save this. And How frequent do you stream? You know, sometimes like once or twice every 2 weeks. Lately I wasn't streaming that much because I was moving, but now I'm probably gonna be streaming every week. Okay, so I'm trying to keep updates in Unity, I mean in my game, and I'm pushing it to the Twitch, and then from Twitch I'm pushing it to my YouTube channel. If you want to watch my old streams, you can go ahead, and I'm sharing everything I'm doing. If you think something interesting is there, it's Arm Bros Studio. Okay, it's not working. You look like pretty cute. Sorry if I disturb of that guy. You look like a pretty cute. Sorry if disturbed of that guy. Thank you for the comment. But this guy is not working. So yeah, I'm going to try to find a solution here. I mean, I know one way I could fix this, obviously, which I'm trying to avoid. So my solution here, what I could do, I could use a variable, and when fire 1 is already clicked, but I don't like that approach. So what if do you use nested if statements? Well, I could do that, but I'm trying to avoid that. Yeah, I could put another if in here too, in the fire too, but that's not so nice for code readability. I don't like that. And also I think performance wise, it's gonna be kinda two ifs inside each other. I'm trying to not do that too much. Obviously that could work too, but then actually, yeah, I could do that. I could do an if. So if the fire 2 is already, and then I could do if special equals true, then yeah, something like this. So I could do this. I could do this approach. So if special is true, and then I could, you know, I could use this thing. I mean, do whatever I want to do here. That could work, but that's like sucky part. I don't like to. I like to keep one thing at a time, so it's my code even 3-year-old can read. I mean, this is not a bad approach. I agree with you that this could solve my issue. But I have another way worked with this, with the time to check which time you click, but that's kind of, I hate that approach either. But this one, it should freaking work. I don't know why it's not working. And that's, I think Unity should have something for this. There has to be. Like if you click both buttons at the same time, or at least close to the same time, I could do that here, right? Yeah, I mean that if statement inside the if, I'm definitely sure it could work. But I'm trying to do like, you know, when you have it separate, first of all, it looks nicer. Second of all, I could like put a separate comment. Okay, this is the special, this is just a hit. So that's what I'm trying to achieve here. Let me search if input get button down, get key maybe. That's freaking weird. You can store input.getKey as a bool, then you can check the bools in an if statement. So input.getKey is storing a boolean, so true or false is what you're saying. Yeah, but I don't like that approach though. Get button down and get button. God damn it. Answers Unity questions pressed at the same time. Oh, you have found something, huh? Let me see. Unity press action on two buttons pressed. The problem is with the same time, because Unity works with frames. You have to almost click at the same time, which is not really. Get down and input get down key code C. Oh. Okay, I have something. The first line checks if you press Q while holding down. One over clicks checks if you press while holding down Q. Yeah, I found some solution, and let me try that. That's not a bad idea. That's get button. First one we are doing. Okay, let me try this solution I found online. So it says input dot get button fire to, and then end input get button down fire for, and then or, and then we do again input dot get button down. We make this thing like this, and we use fire to, and then we do the same thing, which is double of those, which is both sides, and then it's input dot get button, and it's going to be fire, I mean in this case fire 4. So, and why there is a 3 lines, I don't know. This should work, right? Let me see though. Let me make my code a little nicer and see if this thing works. Like this. And am I missing something? Like it, this guy goes here. So yeah, I'm missing one of those, I guess. Let me see. And here I think I have to put another one. Well. Oh yeah, I need to do this also. So here has to be double, double, and then triple. Yeah, let's try this and see if this works. Relatable? Yeah, this looks a little weird, but I think I saw this solution somewhere. So let's see if it works. Because it's double checking it or something like that. Little. Let's see if my script is gonna play. Yep. Alright, come on, buddy. What the hell? Alright, so he's starting, which is great. Why I'm not able to move? Okay, here. So, god damn it. Are you kidding me right now? Maybe my joystick is bad. I'm seriously. This is crazy. No solution works for me. What the hell? So fire to get button, and then input get button down, and then get button down, get button, input. Well, this should have been working, but it's not. So I don't know why. Let me try something else. I have here a code. It's checking my buttons. Maybe something is wrong with my buttons. I want to make sure I'm clicking the right buttons. So this is gonna show me. This will show me which buttons I'm clicking. So because something is not correct. Okay. Why is play taking so long? Jesus. Alright, let's see. Let's click this guy. So yeah, joystick button 4. That's correct. And then joystick button freaking joystick 1 button 2. So now I'm clicking and this and this. Okay, so those are the ones, the button 4 and button 2, right? So if I come here and I search for project settings, we got fire 4, that's the 4, and then fire 2. Oh, fire 2 actually is button 1. So I need the button 2. So that's why. That's button 3. Okay. So button, which is weird, button 3 is button 2. Oh yeah, because the 0. God damn it. So it's gotta be the fire 3. So let's go back. So here we are trying to hit. 1 second, then why the hell this thing is telling me the button 2? Okay, but button 2 is this, yeah, alright, fire 3. Yeah, guys, this is tricky, so alright, so let's change this guy to 3. And I'm like, why the hell is not working? That's why. So now it should work, hopefully. Let's see. So actually that's the button 3, fire 3, which is button 2. And that's why it was probably not working. Okay, fight. Alrighty. Special attack. Alright, now it works. And it looks... Special attack? Yeah. Nice. Thank you for help, Nosby. I appreciate it. So anyways, it was my bad. I actually, do I want to use like this though? It's kind of ugly. But I guess they're using that because of the frames. So ugly or not, I guess that's pretty much the approach. Let's try to make it nice. At least we're gonna have separate ones, but why is this? Yeah, it's kind of sad to see this in my code. Let me just maybe just a little bit like this. Nah, it's even more uglier. I don't like ugly code, so yeah. Okay, I'll just do this. Alright, so now we are anyways doing this magic here, and we are able to hit this thing here, which is working. Yay. Now let's go back here, and then this one can go back to sleep. Let's comment it out. Now what I want to do is choose a special attack for this guy. And then we will animate it, obviously. So let's go to Zelim, combat forward, and then, oh no, I need the new one, right? The special attacks, which is Yakuza, anime set, humanoid, obviously. And was it this guy? Let me see. No, that's not. That's kind of gypsy trick. We don't want that. We want a strong hit, a special attack. Not this one either. This is 3-hit combo. Not too bad. Maybe for some other guy, but this guy I want a superpower natural. Oh, not that one. Which one was it? Was it this one though? So it's like hits right in the middle. Why? Let me see this one. I'm trying to find a normal super attack. Oh, this one is like someone is beating him, which is, we probably gonna use that on our enemy. So how about this guy? Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. You see, he's like charging his heat, like something like that. We're gonna put some nice. We will put some nice voice, like and he's gonna, like, you know, that's gonna be a nasty punch. So to get that working, we need to do Control and D. Original. Let's do this one. I don't even know, but I'm guessing already. The fit. Baked is fine. Into the position. Let's do 0.18 for start, because my guy is kind of lower. And then, what the hell? Where is that dude? Oh, it's here. And then let's find the characters, Zelim, and it's gonna be combat forward. God damn it, so let's go back to the, god damn it, I just lost it. Just had it and I lost it. Can you believe this? Okay, here it is. Zelim, combat forward. Let's push that combat forward right there. Alright, so now Zelim, combat forward, and then where the hell did I put that thing? Those are the weird names, like crazy weird names. Punch, uppercut, 2-punch, jab. I can't see. Nope, not this. I'm trying to figure out which one was this the one? Obviously I screwed it up. No, that's not the one. Jab, left one. What the hell happened? Oh, I think it's this guy versus something. Yep, I found it. Let's change the name, because it's kind of gypsy name. Let's call it a special one. Just like that, easy as that. And special one. Now let's go to the animator controllers from Zelim, and then the hell is that thing? Yeah, here. We want to throw that special one in here, and then we want to do that from any state, and then we want this thing to go to the idle. So we are going from here to here, And this is which layer? Oh damn, this is the flip side. God damn it. Let's delete this. There you go. We need the base layer because we have difference between the right side and the left side. So special is here. So let me drop this here. So we want to go from any state to there, and then from here we want to make transition to here, and then we're gonna put this in attacks and special attack. So special 1 in this case. Let's just put attack tag. Alrighty. Foot IK obviously right defaults. I don't think so. Speed is 1. That's fine. Now what we need is parameter for special attack, a trigger. Let's call it special 1, just like that. So, and then here we need a condition. Special 1 trigger has to be activated for this guy to just hit and kill his enemies. Perfect. So now I'm thinking about this, right? What else I'm gonna do? Let's go back to the scene, and now let's go to the code, which is my favorite part. Okay. Set trigger. Yeah, this guy can go away. So this guy. All right, let's call this special 1. I think that was the name, but make sure it's double checked to that, because if that there is a typo there, your thing won't work. Special 1. Yeah, pretty nice. All right, so the animation is here. Meteoring is nice that we have, but that's for later. All right, let's give it a shot and see if this dude is even able to perform the special attack we want. All right, so oh, nice, man. Oh, I like it. Obviously it's amazing. Look at this shit. Wow, he's killing it. Are you talking to me? Ah! And I'm gonna put some special effects in his hand, some kind of magical charge that he's gonna charge first. But I think I need to be like, it's gotta be a little less fast. So let's do 0.8 or so and see how that works, because it's too fast. Yeah, maybe 9. I'm trying to get something like, ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. But his legs, I mean his feet are going in the ground. We need to fix that, obviously. Let's find this dude. Where the hell was that? Special 1? Yeah. So 0.16 maybe, because 18 was too deep. All right, that's not bad. Look at his feet. Okay, 16 too much. How about 14? Yep, 14 looks much nicer. Definitely a cool one, actually. It's crazy how cool it is. So after doing that, this dude is gonna be tripping like a stripper. That's pretty nice. Now let me check something, guys, before I move on. I want to make sure that if you watch from this side, yeah, I want to make sure his hand is going in the right direction, right? Okay. Come on. So Well, pretty alright. Because his head is still looking at him. And this should just like cut him off. That's pretty nice. Alright, I'm happy with this. I'm pretty happy with this. Alrighty. Now, let's put the music back. And what I'm gonna do, I need to add some sound to that punch. That's crazy though.
Round 1. Fight.
So I'm coming here. Are you talking to me? Alright, great. That's nice. I really enjoy this punch. Like, amazing hit. Makes sense to me. That's a great special attack. So those animations were a little pricey, but definitely worth the money, guys. And especially because they have this thing that it's in place. You don't have to modify anything. Amazing. So the punch is fine, but we need to put a sound, right? So we go back to our favorite animator here, and then we choose the special one, and then we are moving this dude. Whoa. Well, in the transition you don't really see that much. I don't care about it, you know. This is something you don't even notice with your eyes unless you slow down, which we would never do it. And also the transition is taking care of his feet. But what I do care about is this right somewhere here. We want to put the sound, the whoop sound, punch whoosh sound, right? There you go. That's what we want to do. And now this dude has to already make
Round
noise.
1. Fight.
So we come here and we like, yeah, not the best timing, because he's hitting first and then you hear the whoop. Definitely bad timing, guys. So let's fix that. It's pretty easy. Where is the special again? Here, special 1. So let's bring it maybe somewhere here, right before, or yeah, let's try this one. So it's pretty cool.
Round 1. Fight.
Yeah, I could put a little earlier, and I'm a perfectionist. Sorry for that, but it's gotta be nice. If I'm making something, I gotta make nice, or otherwise, why the hell am I doing, right? Where the hell is it? Damn, I choose the wrong one. Special 1. Yeah, I think this is gonna be the perfect solution. And also we will be adding the gizmos to hit the guy, right?
Round 1. Fight.
So we come here, we want to knock him out. Just absolutely perfect. Just amazing. Yeah, that's what I thought. So when you're jumping, you could still do that, right? Because I don't mind that one. That's pretty nice. So 1 punch. So all right, now let's fix the gizmo, guys. So to fix the gizmo, and we've done this before, let's choose the special, and then we do this. Oh, 1 second, is he hitting with the right hand? Yeah, actually he does. So right here, right fist. So Let's figure out where the hell is his right fist. So we got the bone structure here on the left. Left fist. And then right fist maybe? But where? Right clavic something, yeah. Upper arm, forearm, and then hand. Right fist. This has to be like a heavy punch, but you know, I'm in the future I'm gonna put something else. Right now, yeah. Let's just do the heavy punch because this is a special attack, so let's be honest, we wanna shake this dude. Right fist, heavy punch. So I just activate it. So you see this thing, right? So it goes and pow, after hitting somewhere right. So as soon as it's 1 second, so it's hitting, and as soon as it's passing by somewhere here, let's deactivate it. There you go. So now let's take out the preview, and now let's see what happens if we knock this dude out. There you go. That's what I'm talking about, like, that's pretty nice. Obviously I'm gonna change those in the future to, you know, I could always add another gizmo, but that's definitely nice. Alright, one special attack, it's done deal. Well, we need another 3, and then also don't forget we have this punch, and yeah, let's go because I don't want this dude to fall. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4.
You win.
This dude is falling. Obviously I have to fix that because he has to fall backwards. Those are all little things. Let's go back and well, that was it. That's pretty much how you add an special attack. I love it actually. So now let's try to find another special attack, which is we are gonna use same button but different, like we have 4 special attacks, because actually I could use those things that it has to be fully loaded. When you, after this is fully loaded, this is the special thing, that's when you can actually use those. Yeah, I think I'll do that. So I don't want you to have too many specials right away out of the box, because I want you to, you know, I want you to use that only when you have a your special attack is there, right? So yeah, let's do that. So let me see this. Okay, let's check some attacks and see. Those special attacks are amazing, guys. I'm like very happy with this purchase again. We got this guy, and in place, you see, that's what I like about this thing. They give you in place so you don't have to mess with it. Okay, so okay, this is nice. This is a left-right combo. I would want to use something like that for this guy because he really exists. Again, these fighters exist, and this guy's base is boxing, so that's why I'm trying to do as much as I can so it looks realistic to his style. But obviously you don't want to like similar attacks all the time. You want some diversity as well, even though he's only a boxer. So no, that one not really. For different person, I would use that. Obviously, not for him. That attack looked nice for someone very skinny. That's left, right, and a kick. Maybe. Not convinced for this dude. How about this one? So this one is like, nah. That was not impressive at all. What is this? Okay, this one is hitting the leg or the feet. Not really. What is this? I don't get it. This one has the hit and the falling down from the hit. That's kind of interesting. Maybe that's why B means, I guess. Well, this one is nice. It pushes back and then it's hitting. What is this? I hope you guys can see. I'm watching right down corner the moves. I'm playing and seeing what this animation is about. This is like a tiger knee type of thing, so he's hitting with his knee. That's kind of nice. I kind of like that. How about this guy? Yeah, knee is okay, but I would use that for a kickboxer or a Thai boxer. I don't want to use that on a boxer, you know. We keep the style. Again, that's pretty nice, and I'm definitely going to use that on a different person. It's kind of same thing though. Okay, this one is just smashing him on the ground. Oh shit, we are running out. The hell was that? Something weird. In place again. So yeah. Let me see this one. Yeah, this is like karate kick. Pretty nice one. Well, this is the guy who's getting beaten up. And I'm gonna have to figure out which one I could use of those later. How about this one? What is this? Yeah, I mean, that's probably it. Let's try again and see this one. What is this? Okay, this is not bad either. This is like smashing in the middle. That's kind of karate too, but definitely works. This is a boxer. Oh, this is nice. So this is like a active combo, like 1 2 3 4 punches. Pump, 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 pump. So this one is really like I'm not convinced. Let's see this one. This one is interesting also. What's this? Yeah, this is similar to what we just had. So we don't want the same thing, right? So this is exactly the same one, but I never looked at those, right? I think I skipped a few. Okay, this one is left and right. So this hits you with the left, continuing with the right. I don't know, guys. Let me just find something else because I don't want to use similar. And this is not only one I have. I purchased another one, which is 1, 2, 3 combo. No, this one, Kibi punches. So I have an uppercut, back swing. What's this? Yeah, this one, elbow. That's not too bad. Mid jab, 1, 2, uppercut, or right uppercut. Like, yeah, but that's rabbit punch. Nope. Elbow top right. That's not a special attack. I don't know, these guys look like they ripped me off. God damn it. I'm disappointed in those. You know what? Let me find a good one and let's purchase it. I don't care. I need this for my games. So let's go to Asset Store in Unity. And then fighting anime set, I guess. Yeah, this one I think I have already. Or this one I have. So Cobalt. No, I don't need Cobalt. Like fighting set. Yeah, let's see. Punch and fighting sounds. No, I don't need sounds at this moment. I have someone working with me on that. Fighting motions Vol 3. Yeah, those look like gypsy ones. I need a good one. I need like a... those guys were good. Like, trying to find that company that I got the ones from. Let me check actually. My assets or something. Let me find, guys. Where is my assets? Card, saved assets, my assets. Voila. So I got this. We make the game or something. These guys here, they have pretty nice animations. Giant Goal, Wolverine Wolf. What is this? So I'm just, you know, I'm showing you guys how I'm making a game. Holy crap, I could use this. This is like some animal stuff, guys. We wanted like, but this is too too heavy for this dude. For someone else, who knows? I could put that. I have someone in mind actually. So let's get back because that's too crazy even for me. We don't fight with anything in our hands. So Magical Knight, Jeet Kune. What the hell? This one I got already. Paladin, Insane Gun, Sword, Taekwondo. This is... I need a super freaking... There was a hero like a Superman or something like, oh, superhero anime set. Yeah, I think it's this one. Let me watch. I saw some amazing stuff in here. You see, it's like flying up and then some crazy stuff. Obviously he's flying and I'm not. You know, I don't mind little bit craziness in my games. This is like, that's like superpower kind of shit, which I like. I mean, it's fun. This is for flying though. Yeah, I'll get that at one point, I'm pretty sure. Taekwondo, what the hell is ninja? Some ninja moves. Oh, there you go. This guy has some special attacks. You saw that? There you go. That's what I'm looking for. I don't care, I'm getting this. This one, Bear Ninja anime set, is looks good. So yeah, just let's take care of it. Yeah. That's how easy it goes, the money. But I don't care, because I want to make a nice game. So I'm busy. So open in the editor. So right now let's just get that anime set. I don't know where the hell it is. 1 second. So wasn't Ninja something? Yeah, Bear Ninja, this is the one. Yeah, let's get this. So I hope this is gonna give me some extra better moves. I want some variation. That's why I need a ninja one, I need a Superman something. But the Superman was too much flying in the air. I mean, definitely an interesting one for another project maybe, but not this one. But I saw this ninja had some nice skills. Did I add this thing already, or should I click import, I guess? Yeah, I hate this. Why the hell you have to click 2 times? You know, Unity should fix that. You have to click twice for download and import. Just make one button for downloading and importing in the same time. What, are you gonna just download and let it be there? Doesn't make sense. So the code is gonna be exact same with just one button different. But the magic is to find the right moves for your right character. Alrighty. So now I imported that. I should be able to find Yakuza is here. Where the hell is the ninja though? Huh. I don't know where is the ninja. Let me try to find. I don't get it. It should be somewhere. Oh, there it is. I saw some ninja anime set. Is this the one? The hell, is this a scene? What the hell is it? Looks like UFOs for freaking. I paid money for this shit. Are you kidding me? Yeah, they have some kind of weird way showing stuff. And I don't think this is this probably this, because I'm using the HDRP, I'm getting this a lot, but I don't know why they don't give you like normal people do. Yeah, maybe I didn't import it well. God damn it. This one, Yakuza, was nice, right? God damn it, man, I'm like disappointed. This cannot be that stupid. Ninja Anim said. I don't even... Alright, whatever. Let me start this scene and see what it is. Alright, this guy is running forward. I guess he's the only one. I mean, I'm assuming, you know, they done something nice here, but not like that, you know. This something with lighting is not alright, and the background color. There you go. This is why. Fade transparent, perhaps. No, let me just do the standard to HDRP lit. Okay. Yeah. So anyways, this is getting out of my hand. That's unlit maybe. There you go. So now we see something. But when you play this, yeah, like this, I'm not gonna be able to distinguish which one is which. There is a combo idle run in defense. This is defense. That's so I don't get it. It's just this 10 or so. That cannot be true. Let me check. What did I just buy? Alright, let me stop this. 11 attacks plus 1 combo. Back dash casting start loop and 2-1 idle, 2 defense, 2 avoid, 9 move run, move walk, rise 1, teleport start and end. So 11 attacks. Yeah, I bought that. Jesus Christ. I mean, you know, they have some good stuff here and there. This one was maybe not their best, but still, I guess it's very unique at least. So here is attack. So they were saying 19 attacks or something. I don't see 19 attacks in here. So here is only attack 1, 2, 3, 4. One combo, dagger throw, 2 of them, defense, casting. What the hell is casting? So it's turning. Alright, whatever, that's some gypsy shit in there. So what is this? I want this attack. Okay, that's a weird attack. And this one? Actually, 1 second. Yeah, I should be able to see those idiots here better. Let me just do this. Alright, let's see. Attack 1. So jumping and hitting and something like that. Attack 2. Oh, I like this one actually. It's hitting with elbow forward. Okay. Finally something I like. So, but this is weird. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna... Let's Control D. And then push this to the forward. Prefab variant, original prefab. Let's just do original prefab. There you go. Yeah. So let's just open my game scene, which is level Utah. Let's don't save this for now. Yeah, guys, I know. Sometimes that's how they get you. Alright, now this is my dude here, and then so let's go to player 1. Yeah. Alright, let's start from player 1 animation controller. Okay, and now we want to go to the combat forward. So this is a prefab. It's using a freaking avatar. So I'm not gonna... Where the hell? Can I just like prefab? Convert to prefab variant. Okay. No. 1 second. Where the hell is the freaking animation? This is not an animation. This should contain an animation. And it has its own controller. Where the hell is animation, guys? This is crazy. Oh, that's where it is. Yeah, I don't need this whole garbage here. I just need this. Control and D. Combat forward. There you go. Because I'm like, what the hell? This thing has its own animation controller, whatever. Yeah, this is tricky, guys. If you don't know how this works, like me, you will end up with these weird situations. So, yeah. So character, prefabs, characters, Zelim, animation controller, Zelim. There you go. Now let's go to the... Now I should see this thing. Yeah. Which is nice, So baked, feet. What the hell just happened? Yeah, baked position. What is this? Maybe this is better. The original one. Yeah, this one, let's do 0.16 or something. And then attack 2. Let me just delete this shit here. obviously. I don't want to see this thing anymore. What the hell? What kind of garbage is this, man? I'm like... Okay, whatever, man. This thing is starting to piss me off slowly. Let's call this, first of all, special 2, right? At least the name is gonna be normal. Here it is, special 2. Let's drag it right here. Food IK, obviously, and then write defaults. I don't know about writing defaults, but I'm just gonna say no to it. Any state, make transition here. Let me put that there. The hell is it? Okay. So let's make a transition here. And obviously you can see I really like to keep these whole nodes in nice manner. Do not make a mess, so I can know where which is going and why is going. So obviously we will need a trigger special 2. All right, and here this trigger should be a requirement to trigger this. So pretty nice, pretty nice. All right, now let's go back to our code. You see, this is light kick, whatever button is using that fire tree. Oh, wait a second. Let's grab this. Just cut this, and I'll tell you why. Because it's a fire tree, so we want to keep the same way. So first it comes from the regular, and then it gets more complex. So now we're gonna simply, so this is the heavy punch, so this is the right hook punch, which while this one is the X, this is gonna be the B. Does that matter really? I'm thinking which button should I use? But then we have a fire 1, this one here already, but that doesn't matter. Absolutely, I would put another one, fire 1. Oh, that's the A. So where the hell am I using? Let me try something, guys. I want to make sure I know what I'm doing here. So let me test something here to see what is the... I want to use
Round
the
1.
Y,
Fight.
which is this, as a combo. But the Y for the second special, I don't know. This one, you know, this special is a hand special. So that makes sense. So I would not use that. So I could do 1, 2, that doesn't matter in this case. So I'm gonna use this one to hit with the elbow, which is I'm going to keep it as a hand punch combo. So let me then do this one, heavy punch, which is gonna be this. So let's just copy this and light kick, heavy punch. So that's gonna be here. So it's gonna be special 2, which is LB button plus a B. I'm doing these comments for my own sake, but you definitely need those sometimes, you know. So you see here we have a fire 3. All we gotta do is turn this to fire 2 and fire 2, right? And now we have fire 4 here, but we don't want a fire 4. because fire 4 was, I need to check. That's why this is tricky. This is kind of, let me edit project settings and fire 3, joystick button 2, fire 2, and then fire 1. I think it's fire button 1, which is gonna be fire 2, and so this is the LB. Fire 4 should stay, but I have to use fire 2, I think. Fire 2 and fire 4. Yeah, so only this changes. This stays the same because we use the same, which is the LB, right? The left button on the corner. So yeah, and let's just trigger with O2. And is this gonna work? Actually, let's test it out. I don't think, did I finish all the steps to make this work? I don't know, guys. Let's see. In worst case, it won't work.
Fight.
This one works. You see? Bow. And this one we might also want to add something to move forward, obviously. Yep, it works. Yeah. Bow. Yeah, this one also, we want to add something to smack this dude, you know, like go forward and hit him. Like slide forward. But it's actually working. The feet is going in the ground, so let's fix that. I don't know why I see this. This is pissing me off, guys, I swear to God. So let's see. Where the hell is that thing? I'm always forgetting things lately. I don't know why. So here it is. Special 2. Yeah. No. You have to go to the combat forward and then find special 2. Okay. And then just like that, animator, and here it is. Let's make it a special 2. Where the freaking hell it is? 16, right? So let's make it 14. Like 14. Yeah. And now let's I don't know why it's going up before falling down. That's weird. Let's try to hit 12. Maybe it's still too much. Why? Why is this happening though? Let's figure it out. Okay. Player 1, let's grab the special Q and see. Okay. Okay, here is the problem. Getting back is a weirdo. Alright, that's not a biggie. Let's stop this. So this part of the animation is great. Let me grab this animator, put it here, or maybe here. Yeah. So look, this part is okay, and then here he's going nuts. From the 18th frame, he's acting like Bruce Lee. Look at his stupid fingers. All we want is up to, I guess, 13th frame. Everything before that, just we don't need it. Yeah. And now let's, before that, let's make, oh, look at his pants are going bad. So that part is weird too. You see where is he starting from? Yeah, I think, yeah, I would just take those out as well. I don't know, looks kind of weird. And then this part is okay. But this hand, I want to keep it, so yeah. Alright, let's stop the preview and then play and see if it helps a bit. There's some parts we don't want.
Round 1. Fight.
Yeah. Obviously, looks much better. But there is an issue though. It's kind of too fast at this point. I think it's too fast because of the transition though. So let's go to the animator and let me see. Yeah, I can tweak that a bit in my opinion. So that's because I made the animation kind of short. It affected, I'm pretty sure. So all we could do, maybe something like this. Yeah. Now, let's give it a shot again. You know, making it longer, the transition, it makes it slows a little bit down.
Round 1. Fight.
Yeah, you see? Like, what's up? Orochi! 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 Wapow! Orochi! Orochi! Yeah, but that's bringing another issue actually. Just noticed. And also, you see his face in a frame? It's kind of weird when he's turning too, so god damn it. Maybe I should start later on. I still see his stupid face. I don't know why. Yeah, now it's a little less. It's too glitchy, man. Why am I seeing that like a ghost type of thing? I could do this because it's too slow. Maybe that's why you see the frames. Yeah, I guess so. That's not an issue. What I could do here, yeah, that's pretty nice. Maybe a little more towards the end, but if I see back of his head, it's alright, but I don't want to see his face. Yeah. could make it longer. Well, that's killing it though. Yeah, that's like a lot of tweak work. If you want to make something nice, you have to tweak. Another thing you can do in this situation when you cut a little bit too much, because it was kind of weird, is you go to the animator and then you can find this thing and let's say 0.8, the speed of the how it's playing, you know, because if you slow it down, sometimes you might get better results. So in this case it's too fast
Round 1.
when we want it to be nice, but then we don't want to mess it up. This is fine. Where the hell was the, yeah, here. So special O2. So we could do that transition. Yeah, that's where it was. God damn it. So okay. I was tweaking something here, right? Yeah, I'm forgetting things. So I go here, let's stop it again, and then here, this one could make it lower. Let's make this stick here, so we can tweak this obviously.
Round 1. Fight.
So alright, look, his movements are pretty nice right now because I'm slowing him down a bit, and then you can, you know, so it's just a matter of playing with this thing until you find it's too much. Maybe like this. Why is this suddenly so long? Still too fast. 80 something. Oh, I like this more, like when it's hitting and it sticks there for a bit. Yeah, that's better. Look at this. So it's like, yeah, because this has to be like, and this will freaking like push this dude away. Now I have to figure a way out to activate the gizmo on his ankle, I guess, because how else? Because look, where is he hitting from is different than before. It's not his hand. So I would have to like, you see, and I'm not sure if his hand is gonna be deep enough, and also his position has to be, you see, he's hitting like, look at this guy, like he's hitting it, but he's not hitting straight to the enemy. He's going towards the back of it, and then you don't see his hand. So we need to fix that as well. So how can we fix that? It's pretty easy, straightforward. Now I need to click on the special 2 animation and take this out, and then rotation, that's the one we want to mess with. So we could do 0.5 and see where he's ending up. God damn it. Where is it? So let's turn it to 1 and try again. I think it's, I don't know, it's minus, maybe minus 10. We need to figure out, yeah, that's better. So how about minus 15? Let's see. Yeah, I think this is much better. He's hitting this guy's chest. Beautiful. Yeah, that's nice. And if we check from this perspective, let's just put this guy next. Okay, I'm gonna take it away from your view. Yeah, you see he's hitting him, right? It doesn't look too bad if you look from above. So you have to do those things. You have to look from top, from bottom, and then, yeah, you see this position is correct. It's like an army shoulder attack, obviously. And I think with this, if I activate my right punch, it should work too. So because now that he's right positioned, let's give it a shot. If it doesn't work, well, then we'll figure out something else. At this point, at least we can give it a shot. So how do we do that? Again, animator can go back to his place, and the scene is here. We need to click. Let's close this thing opened for some reason. All right, let's click on. I don't understand. Yeah. So player 1, and then special 2. Did we put anything on this one, like a voice? No, right? Like 1 second. When I'm yeah, no, I didn't put anything, so we need to put the whoop sound also. Of course later on I'm gonna add more like growling or something. Now let's, so where I'm gonna put that is obviously somewhere here. Let's turn this into punch whoosh sound, and then from this position I want to 1 second, I need to open this guy up, his bone structure, and this is his right hand, keep that in mind. So right hand means we are going through the Kalvik system, Kalavik or something, whatever that means, forearm, and then hand, and then heavy punch, because this is special attack. This point I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna move, swing by all the way, and then at the end and then here I'm stopping it. So we have it all the way from start until the end. I'll stop this, stop the preview, and let's watch. Let me see this. So well, that's nice. You saw that? Like kuta! Wakuda! What the bakaro! Amazing. So 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then
You win.
I knock him out. Alright guys, so this was nice actually. So this was amazing. I have 2 combos, I mean 2 super attacks, special attacks, and I have a combo. I have all kind of punches and kicks. Obviously, I'm gonna finish that, and then I'm gonna work.
Round 1. Fight.
I'm going to work on the reactions. So if I have this, this one actually doesn't look that bad. But yeah, like these ones have to be fixed. This one, I'm gonna charge his hand with some superpower before hitting. That's pretty nice. Yeah, so this is good, guys. I'm happy. Anyways, I think it's enough for today. I will be maybe joining tomorrow. I'll try to, join and continue. I need to add 2 more special attacks. We need to add the 3 combo punch. Yeah, pretty much a lot of things to do ahead of us. And then obviously after I copy all that to the other person mages, and then I'm gonna have to work on some bugs and add reactions, some code to only do the special attack if this thing is glowing all the way, some stuff like that I will have to activate here. And then that's pretty much where we at right now. I want to thank you for being with me. Thank you for comments. If you have any comments, any feedback, constructive feedback, feel free to contact me on my email, which is armbrosstudio@gmail.com, or you can always leave a comment here or on my YouTube channel, which is Armbros Studio, and you can find it and subscribe if you like my content. Also follow me on Twitch if you don't mind. That would help me definitely. So the game is getting there. I mean, obviously I need to speed up a lot of movements, and there's tons of work. One step at a time. I'm getting there, and I don't know, I kind of like the graphics of it, and everything else looks nice. I'm spending time and money to build something very nice, and I'm one step at a time, as I said before. So thank you for being with me. Please, again, if you like my content, follow and subscribe on our YouTube channel, and I'll probably join tomorrow with more content. Thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of your days. Thank you, guys.